Hello friends, welcome to SuNi Art. This is SuNi. Today I want to share with you a very interesting project. This water slide image transfer paper. I will teach you how to print on this paper and use this paper to apply on the surface. So let us see what are the material that we needed for this project. Come, let me show you the projects that made by this water slide paper. Here are some projects that I made. Okay, all this paper I printed myself using the water slide paper. Okay, all these are on the ceramic. This is on the glass bottle, also using the same paper. This also using the same paper. Okay, using the same image transfer, water slide image transfer paper, and also the same paper you can do on a wood. This is on a wood piece. Okay, use the same method to print with using the same method. Plate. You can download the image from the Google. Okay, you can download any images you want. You also can use your own photo. Okay, all this. Most of my project on ceramic. Okay, all these I printed myself using the same paper. Okay, so now I will teach you, I will share with you how to make this paper, how to print this paper. Okay, this one is on a wood piece. The paper comes in a set of 3 pieces. We sell this paper in a set of 3 pieces with the instructions. But now I will share with you how. Okay. The paper originally is like this. So you will print on the smooth side, the shining part. Okay, using your laser printer. Laser is not the inkjet. Okay, have to use the laser printer. So I use my laser photocopy machine. You see, the image is very sharp and very clear. This is a very good quality image transfer paper. So you print on this shining side. Okay, any images you want. You can even print your own pictures. Okay, after you print out, the most important part is you have to apply this special sealer. This sealer comes together with the set. Okay, you have to apply this sealer. Okay, 2 layers on the printed paper. Okay, I will show you now how to base coat it, how to put a layer. Okay, take out this sealer, special sealer. Okay, just pour on a plate. No need to be so much. Okay, so this one, even though it's only 10 ml, but sufficient enough for 3 pieces. First, you need a very good brush, soft brush, so you won't see a lot of brush mark. So just apply 1 layer. This one is horizontally. First layer horizontally. Apply all over. Lightly touch. No need to be too hard. Just a gentle, very gently. All over. Then blow dry. After blow dry, we will apply second layer, but now vertically. Okay? Just like that. Usually, this kind of water slide paper, they will suggest you to use the spray paint like this spray paint. But spray paint is very, very hard to control. Sometimes when you spray, it won't be even. Okay? And the pressure you use also very important. How hard you have to press, it all depends. So to me, it's quite difficult to use a spray paint on this water slide paper. That's why I come out with this very special medium. It's very good medium, so you no need to use a spray paint. Also, spray paint you have to spray at least 2 times or 3 times. Each layer you have to wait it naturally cure, naturally dry around 20 to 30 minutes. It's taking too long time. Okay, then this one I found that this medium is good, and this is a very good quality paper that I imported from overseas. Then after the first layer, I will blow dry with hair dryer. Now blow dry already, we will apply second layer. It dry very fast actually. Then second layer, Now we do vertically. Also all over, especially on the images, okay? Then after that we blow dry, then you can immediately use and soak into the water, cut out and soak into the water, and you can transfer on any surface you want. Okay, just like that. Very simple if you're using brush instead of you to use a spray paint. Now blow dry. Blow dry already. I will cut it out. Choose any image you want. I just use this, okay? Clap closer. You can leave some white color, it's okay because it's transparent. After you see. Cut accordingly. And after done the project, you have to bake in a household oven at around 100 to 150 degrees for around 10 to 15 minutes. But it's advisable that after you finish complete the project, you don't bake immediately. You just let it naturally dry for 1 day, 24 hours, then only you put into the oven, okay? Then soak into the water around 40 seconds to 1 minute. Until the paper is separated, I mean the image separated from the paper. We just wait for around 40 seconds. All this one can be washed. You see, after you bake, it can be washed, but it's not advisable to soak into the water for too long. Just normal wash, okay? Just normal wash. If you don't have the oven, you can use the heat gun. Okay, you can use the heat gun to heat it. Can be washed. Okay, but this one also not encouraging to put the hot food or the liquid. It's better to put dry food. Okay, now I think this one almost okay. You see, the paper will be separated from the image separated from the paper. Now I will transfer the image. This one I printed wrongly. Suppose you have to flip and reverse the image. Okay, so you see I forgot to reverse. So if you reverse already, you can do like this. Okay, but now easier for you to do this way. But I forgot to reverse, so I have to do like this. It's very simple. Then use your finger to smooth out the extra bubble and the water and also the wrinkles, and use a dry cloth. Okay, clean, wipe off the extra water, just like that. And you wait it naturally dry for 1 day before you put into the oven. Okay, done. A very simple project. You can try at home. So you can do this one on any surface, not for fabric. You can put on a glass, on a plastic, on a PVC, okay, tin, metal, but not fabric. Okay. It's very simple project. So this paper, one set 3 pieces, comes together with the medium, with the instruction. Okay, thank you for watching.